So in this video we're continuing with our statistics. This time we're doing something called a 5-number summary, and we're also going to be drawing a box plot. So two things you need to know today. You need to know what a 5-number summary is, and you need to know how to draw a box plot. Now first of all, let's get started on the 5-number summary, so you know what a 5-number summary is. A 5-number summary consists of the lower extreme, so that's the lowest score in a data set. It also consists of the upper extreme, that's the highest score in the data set. It's also got the middle value, the middle number in a data set, and it's got the lower quartile, that's the in between the lowest number and the halfway mark. The middle score is the lower quartile. And then it's also got something called the upper quartile, and that's halfway between the middle and the highest number is the upper quartile. Now, probably the easiest way for you guys to understand what a 5-number summary is to create one, and we're going to do it using this data set. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you how to do one by hand, and then I'm going to show you how to do one using your calculator. So first thing you need to do if you're going to do this properly is to write your numbers in order. You can see that they're all over the shop here, big numbers and small numbers. I'm going to write my numbers in order here. So first number, 1. Next number, 2. You can see there's a couple of those, 2, 2. I'm not going to bore you with this. I'll come back in a second when I've got it finished. Okay, so here's our 5-number summary. As usual, they're always difficult to do to make sure that you remember every single number. Just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 numbers there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 numbers there, just to make sure that you've got it all. Now, once you've got all of that, you just need to find the lower extreme. Now it's this one here. So my 5-number summary is going to be equal to 1 for the lowest number. I'll just make some spaces there because I'm going to fill them in later. Now we also need the upper extreme, the highest number, 17. Now we need the middle number here. Now, finding the middle number is a real pain. You sort of need to count in from each end and figure out what the middle number is. Let me show you a much, much easier way. I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to open it up in something called stat mode. I'm just going to open that up. Okay. Now, once I'm in stat mode, I'm going to type in all of my numbers. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 12, 13, 13, and 17. Okay, you can see, you can just double check here. I've definitely typed in 19 numbers, which is what I need to have done. Okay, so once I've typed all of them in there, I can pretty much ask my calculator to do the 5-number summary for me. Let's see how it does it. Now, once you've done that in stat mode, you've got all of these options here, graph or calc or test or int or distribution. You're going to use this option here, the calc option. Now, when I press the calc option, it'll give me 3 options here, 1 variable, 2 variables, or this reg thing here. It'll also have set down here. We're going to use the 1 variable option, nice and easy. Now, it comes up with all of this information. Some of it's quite useful. This is the average, for instance. This is if all of the numbers were added together. But the thing that I really think is more important for us is this. Everything from here, 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 here. Min x means the smallest number, the minimum number, and that's 1. Okay. Now, if you come down here, you've got max x. That means the largest number, 17. Now, here you have med, or median. Median is the middle number. That's important. So the middle number here is 7. So that means that one of these 7s here must have been the middle of our data set. Continuing, this Q1 means quartile 1 or lower quartile. And we can see that the lower quartile here is number 4. And finally, this Q3 means the upper quartile or quartile 3. And we can see that that's 9. So here's our 5-number summary: 1, 4, 7, 9, 17. Lowest number, first quartile; median number, third quartile; and upper extreme or maximum number. Okay, pretty cool. For this next bit, we're just going to draw in a box plot and then we're finished. So I've just grabbed myself some graph paper to get started on this 5-number summary. Now, you just need to create a scale from your lowest number to your highest number. I'm going to go just a little bit either side of my highest and lowest number. So I'm going to start at number 1, if my thing will let me here. Hang on a second. Yep, there we go. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. You get the general idea. So you can see now I've got this nice scale here from 0 to 20. Now I just need to put my 5-number summary onto this, but we do it in a very specific way, so watch very carefully. Now, first of all, I draw a line at the minimum number, so that's number 1. Draw a nice line here. Okay, should be nice and straight. I also draw a line at my highest number. So in this case, it's 17. Okay. Now I need to draw lines at everything. So I need to draw a line at 4. I need to draw a line at 7. And I need to draw a line at 9. Now this is called a box plot for a very simple reason. The next thing that you need to do is draw a box. And you draw a box from Q1, this is Q1 here, to Q3, and that's Q3 there. Okay, so you can see that this box covers Q1 to Q3 here. And then some people actually don't call it a box plot, they call it a box and whisker plot. And the next thing you need to do is put the whiskers on there, I guess. So the whiskers start from the middle here, and the line gets drawn all the way out to there. And same the other way, from the box all the way through to here. So there's our lowest value, there's our highest value, there's our middle value, there's our first quartile, and there is our third quartile. So there's our two things today. Here's our 5-number summary. And that's how you draw it up. Also, don't forget, 5-number summary. Don't try to do it by hand. Use your calculator. Make sure you ask me how to use it if you're confused with that. Once you've got your 5-number summary, write it down. Draw yourself up a nice little x-axis like this, whatever number to whatever number you need, and then draw in your box plot as shown there. Okay, that's 5-number summaries and drawing a box plot.